What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Can you evaluate this expression correctly? And we got four choices here. And the expression is 2 plus 7 divided by 1/3 divided by 1/5. And it's either 15 3/5, 107, or 135. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So when we evaluate something like this, we want to think about order of operations. Now, with the order of operations between division and addition, division actually comes first. So we got to do this one. And why this division before this one? Because we're on the same level of order of operations. We go left to right. So first things first, we're going to do 7 divided by 1/3. Now, when you divide by a fraction, it's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal of that fraction. So it's the same as 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. Then we're going to do this division, right? 21 divided by 1/5, which is again the same as multiplying by 5/1. 21 times 5 is 105. Last but not least, we're going to add that 2. 2 plus 105 is 107, which means C is the winner. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining, and we'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.